Not that you can see it, but that's hovering the same height as my van. And it's got two searchlights coming out of it. Yeah, they're definitely looking for something tonight. If I can get out of the wind. That's literally a stone's throw from here. I could hit that with a BB gun. I'm sort of seeking, all I can see is the lights. I wonder what's going on there. They're actually winching someone down. So we've got a rescue going on as we speak. They've just winched someone off the side of the helicopter. And I'm above the height of the helicopter. I'm going to try and get closer, but it is windy and I can't see a thing. I don't think I can get any closer to the helicopter. It would be dangerous to get any closer than this. This is mental. They got him. Holy fuck. Well, I don't know what happened there, but they winched someone up, I think, on a stretcher. Might be training or a call out. But yeah, those guys are heroes. I think they only get about 45-minute hovering time, so they might be going off to refuel. But they've got to get to a certain altitude before they can fly off, and there they go now. Yeah, no idea what's going on here, but I think they winched someone up. I saw someone going down, then when it came back up, it had the stretcher. Wow, I've never even actually been over here. Now they've gone to get the torch out.